So here we are given the ratio of sugar to flour. Notice that the ratios are in the decimal form. We want to convert it to the whole number form so we can think more clearly if it's in whole numbers. So a ratio can always be written as a fraction. So that's 1.25 divided by 7.5. Okay. And both are cups. So that gets cancelled. So that is sugar to flour ratio. So this is equal to, and now we're going to look at how we can convert these decimal numbers to whole numbers. Notice that in order to change the numerator to a whole number, we need to multiply with 100. In order to change the denominator to a whole number, we need to multiply with 10. But remember that we cannot multiply the numerator and the denominator with different powers of 10. It would have to be consistent. So in order to get rid of both the decimal place values, which means we have to convert both the numbers to whole numbers, we need to multiply it with 100 rather than 10. So whatever we multiply the numerator with, we need to do the exact same thing with the denominator. So that is 125 divided by 750. So now we've converted it to whole numbers. Remember that multiplying with 100 is the same as shifting the decimal point 2 places to the right. And that's how it becomes a 750. And the 1.25 becomes 125, shifting 2 decimal place values. The decimal point by 2 decimal place values. Now, this number ends with 25, this number ends with 50, so we know that 25 divides 125. So you can think of 125 as $1.25. How many quarters in $1.25? It's 5. So 25 times 5 is 125. Now you can think of 750 as $7.50. If you're going to divide by 25, you can think in terms of how many quarters do we have in $7.50? 7 fours are 28 quarters in $7 and 2 more in 50 cents. So it's a total of 30 quarters. So in 750, there are 30 quarters, which means 30 times 25 is 750. So the 25s cancel. 5 goes 6 times into 30. Let me show you one more step. So that would be 5 over 30. 5 times 1 over 5 times 6. The 5s get cancelled. And you get 1 over 6. Remember that the answer is not 1/6 because we are working with ratios. We're going to say the ratio of sugar to flour is 1 to 6.